Baba, happy holidays, guys. How are you? You know, I said, let me just get this little vlog out very quick. It's going to be short and spicy, right? I'm going to say this first of all. It hot. It in Ghana. Remember, guys, I used to talk about feeling nippy. Well, maybe my body is totally adjusted. Went to church earlier, got back in church, and I just hot. So if I look a little bit rough right here now, just bear with me, okay? Now, guess what? You know, I'm always talking about getting a phone call. I didn't get a phone call this time. I woke up and I got a text. Text is from a friendie out in the global space, right? She's out and about wherever, so I'm not even going to shout out where she is, but I'm, however, going to shout out her name and say thank you. Hey, shout out to Raquel Jenkins. Raquel, my eyebrows well want to do. You told me you'd be coming to Ghana to do my eyebrows. It's over a year and a half now. They want like a touch up. Anyway, so my friendie, I got this text. Guys, the text that she sent me was an Instagram post of someone by the name of Rastaman Bills. He was at a Jamaican restaurant right here in Ghana, OSU, called ONENESS. Yes, ONENESS Jamaican restaurant. And so, of course, when I saw it and I looked at it, I said, wait, here? I said, no, man. So, guys, not too long ago, I made a phone call, spoke to the owner of ONENESS Jamaican restaurant. So, I am going to bring you a one-on-one. And I'm also going to bring you as much visuals on this restaurant. The little bit that I've seen that Rastaman Bills posted, it up there. And shout out to you for your IG page, Rastaman Bills. Thank you for that content that you put out on ONENESS Jamaican restaurant. So guys, hold tight, okay? Going to sort out myself and get ready and head over to OSU. And yes, I'm going to bring it to you. So please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for still rocking with Diners. God bless.